First things first, I'm taking my light medium powder by Milani and placing that all over my lips for a blank canvas. Next, I'm taking my favorite EOS balm and placing that all over my lips. Next, I'm taking my lip liner by ColourPop. It is called Leather, and I like to start off with my bottom lip. The top lip, I always start off with a Cupid's bow and work my way from there. Next, take that lip liner and just fill in all the edges. Next, I'm pressing my lips together to blend the lip liner. Next, I'm taking ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color First Base, and I'm applying that in the center of my lips. Next, I'm taking my lip liner and just blending everything together. Next, I'm going to take that liquid lipstick First Base and apply it on my Cupid's bow and also in the bottom of my lip. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all together. Next, I'm going to take my concealer to clean up the edges. And there you have it, quick and easy ombre lippy. So that's pretty much it in that tutorial. I told you it was going to be quick and easy. I'm going to have all the products that I use listed in the description bar below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, please do. I'll put that as well. And yeah, loves, I hope to see you in the next tutorial. I love you all. Bye.